Hi, Jeff Whyte here from Whyte's. I'm here with Mick from Able Carbon Restoration here in Oakley. And Mick, we're going to run through today on the Pro 1200. He was the original owner, and he's going to give you some live footage today of how he operates it, and he's going to give you a bit of input on how he finds this machine works best for his business. So we'll just see some bit of hands-on. Thank you. I'd like to introduce you to Mick. Thank you.
Okay, here it is. Here's my machine. I've had this for about 18 months, and we're going to go through the process of how it operates. Put it on the vacuum first. Run for a few seconds. Put on the vac pump. Grab the remote control. Do is get the heat exchangers really hot. That activates the chemical sprayer on the carpet. Pop that off. And we increase the ramp to number 2. While I'm doing that, I'm going to unravel the high pressure hose. Pressure hose to your job. Set up the suction hose. Let's see how hot the machine is. We're boiling the water. We're looking to get up to a temperature of 220 before we start cleaning.
Just in summary today, you've seen and witnessed Mick setting up, doing some rugs. Obviously he's a major rug cleaner in the field, and you would have seen some footage there with the room. And just asking you, Mick, today, when you go out and pick up your rugs, obviously you've got the room. Some of the other maintenance costs, obviously this is your second PDO. And just in your opinion, why do you find this suits your needs in your business?
Originally I went for the PTO because of the small footprint in the van. So it gives you obviously extra room in the van to put rugs and store any restoration equipment I have. I also, with the slide-in truck mounts, used to have 2 petrol tanks to look after. It was a little bit dangerous, a little bit hairy at times. So with this, there's only 1 petrol tank. It's with the main van, a Toyota van, very reliable. The PTO obviously runs off the Toyota van, so you service the Toyota van a little bit more regularly, but it's a much safer system. The temperatures are second to none with the machine. It's very, very hot, and that activates your chemical far better. Setup time, as you saw, is very minimal. It's under a minute. Setup, same when you pull down. The other aspects is carrying rugs inside the van. Makes it a lot easier with the higher van.
When you have a emergency flood too, Mick, I noticed you've got a lot of room there to put dehumidifiers, dryers, all that sort of thing. You can pack them out, go off to a job, no doubt.
That's right. I let me put 4 dehumidifiers in there and 10 blowers. It's got a lot of room in the van.
When you're working in a commercial area, because this van is unique, Mick actually runs the whole vehicle completely locked up, and with the rear connection, and he's inside a building, if his wallet or anything's in the van's completely locked, and being extremely quiet, he can work into the night if he has to do floods in a nursing home or anything like that after hours. So he's got the safety of a fully locked vehicle. He's got the fuel economy, very, very low maintenance with just 2 belts here and a grease nipple. And it's very difficult to get a customer like Mick back into a slide-in truck mount when he's had years of very low maintenance, very low running costs and reliability of the Toyota and the Pro 1200. Thanks Mick for today, and appreciate your time.
Okay,
Thanks very much.